Welcome to Idiomatic Language. This is video number 21 of this section. And in this video, we are going to discuss the idiom beat about the bush. It means not to come to the point, wastage of time. In a meeting or in a gathering, when someone just talks uselessly and not comes to the point, we use the idiom beat about the bush. इन उर्दू गैर ज़रूरी या बेमकसद बातें करना, वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम, वक्त का ज़िया, आएँ बाएँ शाएँ करना, इधर उधर की हाँकते रहना. Let's use this idiom in some sentences. Sentence number 1. Please stop beating about the bush and come to the point. बराए मेहरबानी इधर उधर की मत हाँके, गैर ज़रूरी बातें मत करें और अपने मकसद की तरफ आए. Sentence number 2. No one likes John for his habit of beating about the bush. कोई भी जॉन को पसंद नहीं करता कि वो हमेशा गैर ज़रूरी या बेतुकी बातें करता है. Sentence number 3. Boss ordered his secretary to stop beating about the bush and come to the point. अफसर ने या बॉस ने अपने सेक्रेटरी को हुक्म दिया कि गैर ज़रूरी बातें मत करो और काम की बात बयान करो. Well, that's all for the idiom beat about the bush. Dear students, I would like you people to write one or two sentences using the same idiom in comment section so that I could check those sentences. For the time being, take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz. And one thing, don't forget to share this video with your friends and class fellows so that not only you but others may also take advantage of this channel. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.